Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you a quick and easy DIY that you can make for everyone on your list. The things you'll need: cocoa, marshmallows, chocolate chips, a mason jar, the size is your choice, some peppermints, holiday twine, which is optional, and also these really cute little gift tags that are optional. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is start with your chocolate, and we're going to make a nice layer in the jar. Love the smell of chocolate at the holiday time. Alright, so let's see. So you can kind of use your discretion as to how much you want to layer, but I'm just going to go ahead and get started, and I'm doing it this way. So you want to get a nice little layer going there. You see how I'm just right above the mason? Alright, so now that I have a nice layer of cocoa going here, I'm going to move on to my next layer, which will be peppermint. So obviously I'm not going to put the whole peppermint in there. I'm going to have to break it up. Just like that. So I'm just making sure that I get all of the plastic off, and I'm dropping them in there. You may find it easy to break up your peppermint by removing the plastic first. That way you can make sure you get all of it. Alright, so now that I am all done with my peppermint layer here, you can see those there, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my chocolate chip layer. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. Nice and festive, right? Okay. So, the final layer, marshmallows. I love marshmallows. They're so fluffy and pretty and fun. And you can really just fill the marshmallows up to the top. Alright, so this is what the final product looks like. Now that we are done with the fun part, fill in the jar, we're going to go ahead and move on to the outside decor to make it extra pretty. So I already wrote on my little tag, Merry Christmas, and I would hang this from each one that I make. And then I have my little reindeer glittery tag ready as well. So at this point, I have unwound some of my holiday twine, and if you can see it, it's just like a pretty classic red and white holiday design. And this is going to go around the jar. I'm just wrapping this around a couple of times to give it some thickness. Making sure that it stays down all the way around. The thing with twine, it's really cute, but it's really thin. So you see I have a nice amount there. It's all the way around. I'm ready to cut. I'm just tying it in a couple of knots. And you can let it hang like that. If you want, you can cut it. I think I'll cut mine to make it even, but I am going to leave it a little bit long. Yeah. So again, this is kind of where we are. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the reindeer secure. So I'm going to look right here where I tied. I'm going to loop that through. Pull it down. His big ears are all in the way. It's so funny. Okay, so I got the little reindeer secure, as you can see. Just tied them there. There's my little hanging twine. The last thing to add is the Merry Christmas. So I'll just look at it and see maybe where I want to put it. I think I want to put it right behind the reindeer. Or I could put it back here. Another option to kind of finish this up would be to tie a peppermint to the jar. So that's something cute as well. You know, and you could just attach a note to that if you wanted to. Anything like that that you may have wanted to do. So I had my Merry Christmas ready to go. But after tying the little reindeer on there, I kind of like it with just that and the twine hanging. So, you know, you can do either way. You have the option of either using this by itself, or you can use the reindeer by itself, or you may want to do both. I think mine may look a little too busy for me both. But this is just my finished product here. So just to show you guys, there's the cocoa and the peppermints and the chocolate chips and marshmallows. And then in the front, I just have this cute little reindeer. And you know, if you're doing it for friends, family, you can put their names somewhere if you want to like wear along here or down here, or you can even flip it over and put their name on the back, or you can just include a little card with it. But the only other thing is to put the top on it and you're ready for gifting. Hope you guys enjoyed.